Welcome back everyone. It's been a few years since I visited Folkestone, so I thought I'd pop down and check out the area and take you with me. Let's go!
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under.
Okay, so we're going to head down to the seafront, but we're starting up here where there are some unique boutique shops. Walking down here, there is so many colours in this location, very vibrant, some unique named shops as well, definitely worth the visit.
Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. Follow that heart, one step at a time. We all play our part. Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget be kind, live, it's your life. Go on now, chase your dreams, everything. Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life.
Okay, now we're heading towards the seafront. We're going past some seafood stalls, and this is where the fish markets are as well. Seafood looks pretty good.
I've been down, I've been everywhere, but I'm alright now, I'm alright. I nearly drowned in my own despair, but I'm alright now, yeah. Baby, you can turn the rain into gold.
So before we get to the beach itself, let's look up here, which is where the old train station used to be. So as you can see here, this is where the old track is. And as we turn, we can see the old track, which leads all the way up to the old station where we're going to walk now. They've done something quite unique up here.
That has changed. Baby, you can turn the rain into gold. So, this is what it means to fall in love.
Heading over the railway bridge, you can see the Grand Burston Hotel, which is where I stayed at, and you can check out my personal review of that hotel on this channel after this video.
I used to think another.
As you can see, this is where the signal box is. I believe you can actually visit in there at some times. And this is where the trains would have come in and gone out. It's been completely remodelled and you can walk where the tracks used to be. This is definitely a place well worth visiting if you're down in Folkestone. Very unique. You can see on this plaque that this is what it used to look like before it closed in 2014. It was very overgrown and no longer loved. So that is where the train station is. As I said, they've remodeled this and you can come and visit this and you can walk on the tracks. We're going to head through this little location here. As you do, you can kind of see another area where they kind of upscaled. They've used these containers. You can come and sit and have some drinks and some snacks. They've even got the old Fairground themed seating where you can sit back and enjoy the view.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly.
Now I promise we'll head back to that nice sandy beach in a minute to check out, in my view, what is the best beach in Folkestone. But before we do, let's head up quickly onto the Harbour Wall where we can get some great views of Folkestone but also the cliffs of Dover in the distance. As we head up here we can look back to Folkestone's main beach, which is a pebble beach, but because this is a harbour wall there is this protected area and there's a sandy beach over there, which is where I'll take you in a minute. But let's head down these stairs where you can see more of the track, and there is this small train here which they've turned into a lovely drinks shop where you can grab some prosecco, wine, coffee. It's called Seashells. Very bit of a tongue twister there. Beautifully themed, and there is a carriage either side where you can sit in and take your drinks. Very cool indeed. Season hasn't started quite yet, so it isn't open today. Definitely check that out in the future. As we make our way round, there is also some places to grab a bite to eat, and towards the end here we have the Folkestone Lighthouse, which is complete with its own champagne bar. Again, season hasn't quite started yet, so not open today. Definitely coming back to check that out another time. Hopefully the weather brightens up on those days as well. Up the stairs we are on the right and we can see the harbour arm now, and it has these views all over to the white cliffs of Dover. And as we pan round, this is where you'll be able to see, of course, the English Channel.
Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Okay, now let's head back to that lovely sandy beach that I mentioned. So before the station entrance earlier, you can head through where the fish markets are, and this is where a couple of pubs are dotted around, and we're going to head to something called Sunny Sands, or what the locals call Sunnyside. This is the most popular beach on a sunny day, as you can imagine. This is really loved beach, protected a little by that harbour arm where we just visited. It's also a place where you can go paddleboarding, surfing, kayaking, and obviously swimming, of course. Let's head down for a closer look.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Making our way back, we can stop to admire the little harbour here with the huge Grand Burston in the background. As I said, if you want to check out my experience and room tour of that particular hotel, click the card in the top right or the link in the description. Very interesting review of that hotel. There is a number of other attractions around Folkestone, but today I'm just showing you Folkestone itself, a quick tour of the kind of shops area all the way down to the seafront and by the harbour arm. Definitely a place worth visiting during the summer. So as always, please do let me know your memories of Folkestone in the comment section below. Did you come here recently or years ago? What are your memories? I love to hear them. If you have visited recently, let me know what you got up to. If you're planning a visit soon as well, let me know in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you, and until next time, bye for now.
Time to